Welcome back to the Explainer. Today, we're talking about taking complete, immediate control over your Colorado toll expenses so you never, ever overpay for your commute again.
Let's kick things off with a pretty simple question. Are you tired of paying full price for Colorado tolls? Because, let's be real, we've all been there, right? You get home, you open the mail, and bam, there is a shockingly expensive license plate toll invoice just staring back at you. It's a total hassle, it's frustrating, and honestly, it's completely avoidable.
So here's the secret to never dealing with that mail shock again. 40%. Actively managing an ExpressToll account actually saves drivers up to 40% on CDOT Express lanes and 35% on E470. I mean, think about it. That is a massive chunk of change that stays right in your pocket, just for keeping a quick eye on your account online. Pretty great, right? So let's dive into exactly how to do this.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll cover why to use ExpressToll, do a little pre-login prep, get into the main event of checking your balance, and then we'll maximize those dashboard features. Finally, we'll solve some common login issues and wrap it all up with a few pro tips and a disclaimer.
All right, Section 1. Why use ExpressToll? Let's talk about Colorado's toll platform.
At its core, ExpressToll is Colorado's unified electronic toll platform. It covers everything, E470, the Northwest Parkway, and all those CDOT express lanes, which lets you just cruise at highway speeds without ever having to stop at a toll booth. But you might be wondering, why go through the trouble of a prepaid account instead of just letting the camera snap a picture of your license plate? Well, a prepaid ExpressToll account uses an automated balance, which, like we mentioned, makes it up to 40% cheaper. Relying on the license plate toll system means you're stuck dealing with mailed invoices, higher administrative rates, and absolutely zero discounts. So by simply checking your balance and keeping that account active, you guarantee you're staying on the winning side of the equation.
Moving right along to Section 2, pre-login preparation. Basically, what you need before we start.
Before we even type in a web address, let's make sure you've got everything handy to make this a total breeze. To get logged in without any friction, you literally just need 4 things: an internet-connected device, a standard web browser, your ExpressToll account number or your registered email address, and, of course, your secure alphanumeric password. Have those ready, and you're golden.
Now, I want to highlight something really crucial here. This is an exact quote from the source documentation. The system does not support an official native mobile application for Apple iOS or Google Android devices within the state of Colorado. Guys, I absolutely cannot stress this enough. Please don't go searching your app store for an ExpressToll app. There isn't an official one, and using unverified third-party apps can lead to processing delays or, even worse, extra administrative surcharges. So protect yourself and just stick to a standard web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Okay, Section 3, checking your account balance. Let's walk through the step-by-step guide. Let's walk right into the portal. Step 1 is super simple. Navigate directly to the official ExpressToll website. Step 2, on the sign-in screen, pop in either your email or your account number along with your password. And then Step 3, this is where the system just wants to confirm it's actually you. You'll need to verify a time-sensitive code that gets sent straight to your email. Once you knock out those 3 quick steps, boom! Your real-time toll account balance is going to be displayed front and center on the very first dashboard screen you see.
Actually, let me pause on that last step for just a second. That's called multi-factor authentication, or MFA. It's just a standard security measure that requires a time-sensitive verification code sent to your registered email. I'm bringing this up so you aren't caught off guard. When the system pauses during login and asks for that code, don't panic. Just open a new browser tab or check your phone's email app, grab the code, and plug it in. It's a tiny extra step, but it heavily protects your financial data.
Next up is Section 4, maximizing dashboard features. Let's look beyond just the balance.
Once you're actually logged in, you'll quickly realize that the central administrative dashboard does a whole lot more than just flash a number at you. It's a really useful toolkit. Now, obviously, balance monitoring is the star of the show here. It gives you immediate confirmation of your account status, but check out what else you can do. Statement retrieval lets you verify individual trip logs, which is absolutely perfect if you need to expense your work commutes. Then there's vehicle management. And this one is massive. If you buy a new car, or say you're towing a camper or driving a motorcycle for the weekend, you must register those specific plates here. If you don't, you risk camera misreads that trigger those expensive violation fees we talked about earlier. And finally, Transponder Admin lets you order replacement sticker passes, and they'll ship those straight to your door within 5 business days. Pretty convenient.
All right, let's look at Section 5, solving common login issues. specifically focusing on credential recovery.
Look, let's be honest. Most of us only think to check our toll accounts between major road trips, which means it is incredibly easy to forget your login credentials. So, forgot your account number? Seriously, don't panic. It is undeniably frustrating to lose that number when you just want to quickly check your balance and move on with your day. But ExpressToll knows this happens. They've built a really smooth, automated recovery pathway directly into their login interface. To use that recovery pathway, you literally just need 3 exact identifiers: the account holder's first name, the last name, and the license plate number. Now pay close attention to the formatting here, because a lot of people get tripped up on this. The license plate must be entered cleanly. That means no spaces and no dashes, just a continuous string of letters and numbers. The site actually shows visual examples of Wyoming and Nebraska plates to remind you to just type it out continuously. Do that and you'll recover your account in seconds. But hey, sometimes technology just doesn't want to cooperate, right? Or maybe you have a more complex discrepancy on your account. If that happens, they do have excellent offline support. You can reach the ExpressToll Service Center, which is physically located at the E470 Public Highway Authority headquarters over in Aurora, Colorado. Just pick up the phone and dial 303-537-3470, or you can use their toll-free line at 888-946-3470 to speak with an actual human customer service agent who can help you sort the whole shebang out.
And that brings us to Section 6, final tips and a quick disclaimer to keep your account healthy.
We've covered how to get in and check your balance, but if you take away absolutely anything from this explainer today, make it this: set up auto-replenish and go paperless. You can configure your account to automatically charge your credit card whenever your prepaid balance drops below $10. This is a game changer because it guarantees you'll never hit a negative balance and face penalties. Plus, go into your communications settings and select email statements. Why? Well, if you choose physical paper statements, the system actually deducts a recurring monthly service fee straight out of your toll balance. Literally, you're paying them to mail you a piece of paper. Going paperless keeps your money focused entirely on your actual tolls, exactly where it should be.
Before we officially wrap up, I just need to deliver a quick professional disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer is accurate as of August 24, 2026. Because administrative policies and web interfaces are always evolving, please just make sure to refer to the official ExpressToll website or their customer service department for the most current and authoritative information.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to take control of your commute and see exactly how much money you're saving? Do yourself a favor. Don't let toll invoices surprise you in the mail ever again. Open up a standard web browser right now, log into the portal, check that ExpressToll balance, and ensure you are getting the absolute best rates on the road. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, safe travels out there.